We'll guide you through how to fix not being able to delete apps on your iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, I want to show you what happens when I try and delete an app on an iPhone. I'll hold my finger on it and click on Remove App, and as you can see, there's no delete option, just remove from home screen. So let me press cancel. Now this is happening due to a setting on your phone. So go and open up your settings like so, and then scroll down into screen time, and then scroll down to the section called restrictions and click on content and privacy restrictions. Then what you need to do is go and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now if there's a screen time passcode set, that'll need to be entered. So if you didn't set this up, get the person who set it up to go and enter it. I'll enter mine now. And then what you need to do is go into the option deleting apps and click there, and you need to go and set that to allow. Now apps can be deleted. So you can come out of these settings, I'll go and close it off. It may take a minute or two for your phone to update and then go and give you the option, but let me hold my finger on it again, click on remove app, and as you can see, delete app is now there. If it isn't there immediately, just wait a bit longer, and yeah, we can now go and delete it.